Yo, yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Lawless, back with another one. Um, Spaces. We're on to the A, automobile exception. So, basically, this is for the cops to search your vehicle, again, without a warrant. Um, but the rationale for this is that vehicles are inherently mobile. There's less expectation of privacy, well, compared to like your home, um, and the car interior. I mean, it can be seen like by passerby. You know, unless your tints are like super crazy dark, but that's we're not jumping into the weeds on that. And then yeah, and then there's government like inspections or oversights uh, for vehicles, so inherently just has a lower expectation to privacy. Um, then there's a bunch of cases, so but before I hop into all the cases, just remember there's going to be probable cause that the car or container within that car contains contraband. Um, and then, the scope is you can search the entire car, including the trunk, any containers that could reasonably hold that contraband. Um, yeah. First thing we need to know is the Carroll Doctrine. So actually, that was the Carroll Doctrine, wasn't it? The Carroll Doctrine reads that if the police have probable cause to believe a vehicle contains contraband, the automobile exception allows the police to search the car and all containers therein that may hold the object of the search. Let's see. We got a snippet of California v. Acevedo. Anyways, probable cause to search a car means a whole car, but probable cause to search for container means only search where the container could be. So, if you're looking for a container of contraband, you're not going to be looking somewhere that it wouldn't be able to fit. So if it's like too big to be in the glove box, you're not going to be looking in there. Or it's too big to fit in that center console, you're not going to be looking in there. Let's see, United States v. Dire. See, we can't use automobile exception to search persons. Okay, so plain and simple, can't use automobile to search persons. Just being in the car does not give probable cause to search person. Law enforcement will use another justification though. Yes, they will. Basically, that's just saying if you're in a car that got like, if your car got pulled over and maybe you're like the passenger or something and you hop out, walk away, don't like run. I think we talked about that before. Illinois v. Wardlow. um, but yeah, the automobile exception to like search that vehicle doesn't extend to the person, but they'll probably find another way to search you. I mean, they might just utilize Terry stop and frisk to do that. Let's see, Chambers v. Maroney. When automobile exception applies, Leo allowed to seize the car to search in a more feasible and less dangerous situation. Okay, basically, for Chambers v. Maroney, when you have that automobile exception, you can just relocate folks to somewhere safer. At least, so like if you're on a highway and it's cars just zooming by, you're probably not going to want to, well, officers are not going to want to search while all that traffic is flowing on by them. They'll do it somewhere a bit more safer, so they might go towards like a resident or more residential or other type of street collector, arterial, I don't know. City planners know what all that means. Uh, California v. Carney. This one is huge in the fact that motorhomes or like RVs, um, they're still considered vehicles just because how readily mobile they are. Um, so it comes with a reduced expectation. Um, so you're not going to have that same threshold as a regular home. Last is Collins v. Virginia. And this one, let's see. The car, so this guy, I believe he had actually, his vehicle was, he had his car or a bike, but he had it covered. One of those protective covers for your vehicle. And then in short, is that the car that was inside a home or curtilage, it's just not subject to the automobile exception. Even though it's like, it still is readily available to move. That's a little bit different when you're on your own home property. But that's still, there's going to be some exceptions with that. So take it all with a grain of salt. Alright, but yeah, that's it for the automobile exception. Until next time, peace.